In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google and a handy tool called Remove.bg to effortlessly remove backgrounds from your images. This process is incredibly useful for creating clean and professional-looking photos without any specialized software or skills. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. You'll want to search for Remove Background, which should lead you to several options. Among those, you'll find a link that says Remove Background from Image for Free, Remove.bg. Go ahead and click on that link. This will direct you to the Remove.bg homepage, where we'll do most of our work today. Once you're on the Remove.bg website, you'll see an option to upload an image. Click on the Upload Image button. This is where you'll select the photo you want to edit. Choose a file from your computer that you'd like to remove the background from. It's a simple process, just like attaching a file to an email. As soon as your image uploads, Remove.bg gets to work immediately. The tool uses advanced AI technology to handle the task, so you don't have to worry about doing any manual editing. Within seconds, you'll see the magic happen right before your eyes. The background will be stripped away, leaving you with a neat cutout of your subject. Now you're ready to download the edited image. Look for the Download button on the page. Clicking it will save the image to your device without the original background, of course. Remember, you can typically download in a standard resolution for free. Higher resolution downloads might require a subscription or credits, but the free option is perfect for everyday use. Before you wrap things up, you may want to have one last look at your work. Remove.bg offers a convenient preview button, which lets you take a final look at your image before committing to the download. Click on Preview to make sure everything looks just right. If you're happy with it, you're all set. Your task is complete, and you're now the proud owner of an image with a professional-looking, clean background, and there you have it. Using Google and Remove.bg together, you've successfully transformed a regular photo into a polished image, freeing it from any distracting backgrounds. This is not only helpful for personal projects, but also for business promotions, online stores, and social media profiles. With practice, you'll become quicker and more confident in using these tools. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide makes your photo editing tasks just a little bit easier.